Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Looker Studio for backlink dashboarding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Looker Studio. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the main page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Type in your email address and click Next. Now, enter your password and click Next again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Looker Studio dashboard. If this is your first time using Looker Studio, you may see a welcome message. To create a new dashboard, look for a button that says Create at the top left. Click the Create button and select Report from the drop-down menu. You will then be asked to choose a data source. Click on the Add a Data Source button. Select the appropriate data connector for backlink information. Follow the prompts to connect your backlink data source. Once connected, your data source will appear in the available options. Select it and click Add to Report. You will now enter the report editing interface. Use the toolbar to add charts, tables, and other visual elements. Drag and drop your chosen elements onto the canvas. Customize your report by adjusting properties in the sidebar. You can filter data, set date ranges, and adjust other settings as needed. Once you've finished customizing, click on the View button to see the final version. If everything looks good, your backlink dashboard is ready to be shared or saved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.